Hello students, this is part 3 of how to find the gradient or finding the gradient of a straight line, and we are here in type 3 to discuss. Let's get started. Type 3, when the equation of a straight line is given and you will be finding it so easy to just say the answer. Look and say the answer. So what do we have technically? Do you know the straight line? The equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c, where m represents the gradient and c, what does this c do? It represents the y-intercept. We discussed y-intercept earlier as well, but if you really want to go through, say for example, this is your graph and this is a line. The point the line passes through is called the intercept. This is what the c is. Well, let's come back to the concept. We have to find out the gradient. To find out the gradient, you just need to check the coefficient of x. What's with x? That is what the gradient is. So here in this equation, can we really scan this equation? So it is nothing but y equals 6x minus 4. What's with x? That's 6. And yes, we have our answer with us. M equals 6. The gradient is nothing but 6. Correct? Let's move to the next question. The gradient of a straight line when the equation is given to you like this. No problem. We know something with x, like the coefficient of x is nothing but the gradient. So this is what the gradient is, right? What do we have with x is the gradient. So the gradient is minus 2/3. For this particular type 3, how do we get questions? We may get questions little trickier, like say for example, shall I show you? If I say 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals 0. This is how they will give you the question if they want to make it trickier. Now they will ask you, okay, what's the gradient of this equation? What do we need to do? We need to rearrange to make y the subject. We really want y to be on left side, only y. Okay, so just keep y here and move everything there to the right side. So we have 3y here, even a positive 3y here. I will write like this. Just give me 1 second. Let's restart that. I'll write a positive 3y here equals, what I'm doing, I'm just moving it. Remember, whenever we move anything, any term to the different side, we just change the sign. Right now it is 2x. 2x is nothing but a positive 2x. When we move it to the other side, it turns out to be negative 2x. So it would be minus 2x and you have minus 4. When you move it to the other side of the equal sign, it goes positive. It would be a positive 4. Are you clear with this? Now, y really wants to be alone, not with any number. So we have to remove that 3 from here, or a positive 3. To remove that, we have to divide. We can't just move it. Like we can't do, if it is minus 3y, we would not say that it would be a positive 3. No, because it's 3 times y. When it is written 3y, it is 3 times y, isn't it? Okay, so we are dividing it by 3 and both the numbers by 3. So 3 divided by 3, that gives us just the y alone. Y is happy, free. And this side we get minus 2/3 of x plus 4/3. Oh, I just realized that this one gives us the gradient as minus 2/3 as well. I didn't really think of that. I just wrote an equation. Okay, this is what the gradient is. So the gradient for this equation is also minus 2/3. Correct? That's it. Hope you're understanding. To really get it stronger, strengthen the concept, practice is required. To practice, just go through the description box and find out the worksheets. Prepare strong for GCSEs. See you soon. Take care.